6 exercises used across Japan to build and protect leg strength even after the age of 60. Japan isn't just a country with the highest number of people living past 100. It's a place where men and women in their 70s and 80s still move with stability, confidence, and power. While in many Western countries, the World Health Organization reports something very different. Most people begin losing serious leg strength after the age of 50. And once the legs weaken, the consequences arrive fast. Suddenly, getting up from a chair takes effort. Climbing stairs becomes a challenge. Simple walks feel heavier than they used to. And the biggest risk of all rises sharply: falling. Falls are the #1 reason older adults lose their independence. But here's the good news. If the Japanese can age with strong, reliable legs, then clearly they're doing something right. And that means you can learn the exact same method. Before we begin, tell me in the comments your name and the city you're watching from. Let's get started. Exercise 1. Resting squat, a core part of Japanese daily life. One of the most deeply rooted habits in Japanese culture is the resting squat. Unlike Western countries where we drop into chairs, sofas, and recliners all day, the Japanese often rest in a deep squat, a posture far more natural for the human body. This single habit works several powerful muscle groups at the same time: your quads, hamstrings, hips, glutes, and core, without lifting weights, without doing reps, just by sitting differently. A study from the University of Tokyo found that adults over 70 who regularly used the resting squat had leg strength similar to people in their 50s. Here's how to practice it safely. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower your body slowly until your hips sit close to the ground. Keep your heels fully planted. Your spine stays neutral, not overly arched, not ramrod straight. If you're over 60, start with support. Hold a chair or countertop and stay in position for 15 to 20 seconds. With time, slowly progress to 2 or 3 minutes. 2 common mistakes. Lifting the heels, this removes the benefit and stresses the knees. Rounding the back excessively, engage your core lightly to avoid this. Do this 3 to 5 times a day in short sessions. Within weeks, you'll feel smoother standing up from chairs, and your endurance during normal daily activity will noticeably improve. Exercise 2. One leg balance, the hidden secret of Japanese longevity. This simple movement is one of the most important mobility habits in Japan. Standing on one leg challenges dozens of deep stabilizing muscles, the same muscles that prevent falls and protect your joints. Japanese elders practice this during small daily moments, while brushing their teeth, waiting for water to boil, or even during TV commercials. To perform it, stand near a wall. Shift your weight to one foot. Lift the other foot just slightly. No need to raise it high. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds when starting. As your balance improves, walk towards 60 seconds. Mistakes to avoid: lifting the leg too high and tilting the hip, tensing the shoulders or gripping your hands. Fix your gaze, keep the core gently tight, and breathe normally. Just 5 minutes a day is enough to create meaningful change. Exercise 3. Horse stance, kibadachi. Borrowed from traditional martial arts, the horse stance is a stability powerhouse. It's an isometric exercise, meaning you strengthen the muscles without bending or pounding your joints. The horse stance develops strong inner thighs, strong quadriceps, powerful glutes, and a firm, stable core. A study in the Journal of Physical Therapy Science found a 24% increase in leg strength in older adults after only 12 weeks of practice. How to perform it? Take a wide stance, wider than shoulder width. Bend your knees slightly as though you're sitting on an invisible bench. Keep your feet parallel or slightly pointed out. Back straight. Core active. Hold 10 to 15 seconds at first. Build up to 60 to 90 seconds as strength improves. Knees drifting far past your toes. Staying too high and not engaging your muscles. Letting thighs collapse inward. As your legs strengthen, you can add intensity by lifting your heels or doing small pulsing movements. For most adults over 50, this is a safer option than high-impact exercises like running or jumping. Exercise 4. Japanese slow walking, sampo, sampo. This is not ordinary walking. This is mindful, deliberate, ultra-slow walking, a technique widely used in Zen temples and Japanese parks. The method is simple. Take steps 4 to 5 times slower than your normal pace. Focus on every part of the foot: heel, midfoot, toes. The results are remarkable. Japanese research found 50% better circulation in legs, 40% fewer falls, 50% improvement in dynamic balance after only 3 months of practice. Start in a safe hallway. Walk extremely slowly. Feel every inch of the step. Practice for 3 minutes per day, focusing on breath and awareness. Mistakes to avoid: walking on autopilot, going too fast, looking down excessively. Slow walking trains your brain and muscles together. Your balance, proprioception, and coordination all improve. If you have balance issues, start near a wall for support. Exercise 5. Heel raises, the Japanese second heart method. In Japan, calf strength is treated as a key sign of longevity. Why? Because the calf muscles help pump blood back up to the heart. Weak calves mean poor circulation, weak balance, and slow walking speed. The exercise: stand shoulder width apart, rise onto your toes, pause at the top, lower slowly. Begin with 2 sets of 15 repetitions holding onto a wall for safety. Work toward 3 sets of 20. To progress, perform on a step to increase range, or try single leg raises to double the challenge. People over 60 who do this daily report fewer leg cramps, better endurance during walks, and greatly reduced ankle swelling. Exercise 6. Wall squat. This one is both traditional and scientifically validated. It intensely strengthens the thighs and glutes while keeping the joints protected. To perform, stand with your back against the wall. Slide down until your knees are at a 90-degree angle, feet shoulder width apart. Hold 15-20 seconds to start. Build up to 60 seconds. A Japanese study showed 14% improvement in leg strength after 8 weeks, 27% better stair climbing ability. Mistakes to avoid: holding your breath, knees collapsing inward, knees pushed far beyond toes. This exercise builds both physical and mental endurance, the ability to stay calm under controlled discomfort. Place a cushion between the knees to increase difficulty later. Bonus exercise: dead hang. Though not a leg exercise, this Japanese favorite improves posture, decompresses the spine, and boosts grip strength, all essential for healthy aging. Grip a bar, let your body hang freely, and breathe deeply. Start with 5 to 10 seconds for 5 rounds. Increase gradually. This releases shoulder tension, improves posture, opens the chest, and strengthens the arms and forearms. Avoid if you have serious shoulder injuries. Otherwise, this is safe for most adults. If you want to learn the 6 specific Japanese isometric postures that target the deepest muscle fibers in the body, tap the video appearing on your screen right now. Don't miss it. Thank you for watching, my friend. May God bless you with strength, health, and long life.